Hey y'all, Bobby the Fan Man here. Here is a 1980s Tatung 6-inch oscillating table fan, model LB-116. Got this at Goodwill the other day for $10. Who was wanted a blue 6-inch table fan? I got one, so here's hi. This thing hauls on high. She runs really well, except the oscillator does not work very well, but that's okay, because with a fan this powerful you don't need the oscillation, because this thing hauls. As you can see, it's moving that plant, and it's not even the wind stream of the fan. I don't know if you can really see it or not, but the image stabilization is on. It's moving those curtains, though. Give a little wind noise. And I'll show you what the oscillator does when I turn it on. There's medium. Little wind noise. And low. The fan is in really nice shape. Like, the plastic ain't yellowed. It's dark white. You don't see that very often. So, for $10, couldn't beat it. Got this in Groton Goodwill, in Groton, Connecticut. Here's the little oil pour in the back of the motor. If anyone can tell me the history on Tatung, please leave it in the comments below, because I don't really know much about Tatung. Here's the oscillation, what it does. So it doesn't go when it goes to this side, but watch when it comes back from the other side when it comes back from this side to this side. It clicks like that. So I'm wondering what that could be. Turn that off, and we'll shut her down. It's a really nice running fan, and it runs really well. It's very quiet. The spin down time is good. Alright guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.